In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix premium plan to another Wix website. If you're thinking about transitioning your premium plan to a different site, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Wix website by heading over to your browser and going to the My Sites page on Wix.com. Once you're on this page, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your Wix account. You'll want to take a moment to locate the site that currently has the premium plan you'd like to transfer. After you've found the correct site, click on Site Actions. Before we move on, it's crucial to ensure that the plan you are transferring is indeed a premium one. Without a premium plan, this transfer cannot be completed, as it's the plan that we're focusing on relocating to another site. Now, with the correct site and a verified premium plan in mind, let's continue. You'll notice an option labeled Reassign Plan. Click on that. This action will initiate the process of moving your premium plan from one site to another. A new menu will appear, presenting a list of other sites within your Wix account where you can transfer this plan. At this juncture, you should see a selection of your websites to which the premium plan can be reassigned. Go ahead and choose the site where you want the premium plan to be transferred. It might help to take a minute to review the features and goals of the receiving site, as placing a premium plan on the right site is crucial for maximizing its benefits, such as increased bandwidth and access to advanced features. Once you've made your choice, simply press Next. This step confirms the site you have selected to receive the premium plan, and it brings you closer to completing the transfer. The last step in this seamless process is to go ahead and click on Assign. By doing this, you finalize the transfer, effectively reassigning your premium plan to the new site. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Wix premium plan to another website. It's a task that may initially seem daunting, but as you've seen, with just a few clicks and some thoughtful consideration, you can easily rearrange your resources to better fit your evolving needs. Whether you're pursuing a new project or reorganizing your digital assets, this simple action ensures that your web presence can stay dynamic and responsive. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Remember to check back for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.